You have asked, about 1,000 of you have asked, will I grow taller? In this video, here's my collective answer. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. It's a very interesting subject. I posted a video a little ways back on daily stretches to do to lengthen, lean out, and get taller. Your feedback has been overwhelming in the best way possible. I was not expecting at all that there was going to be such positive feedback on this video. And so many of you are writing in from around the world really asking, can I get taller? Will I grow? Will this work for me? How long do I need to? I mean, your questions are really insightful, so I appreciate them. I notice a lot of repetitive questions, so that's why I want to do this video. Will I get taller from stretching or doing those stretches? I'm actually going to come out with a few more videos on stretches to lengthen and lean out, and most of all, help your posture, because there's things that you can do at every age to improve your posture and get taller. Something I have done personally. I noticed in my first wedding photos that I was very rounded forward, and it was so sad to see. I was, oh, that's one thing, and you can't go back and you can't Photoshop that. But what I can do, or did do, is fix that posture from that point moving forward. So I hope that the tips that I'm sharing on this channel will help you. So now back to your question, will I grow taller by doing these stretches? Well, it's a pretty loaded question because there's really a lot of different variables that go into whether you as a human will grow. There's what you're eating, how you're sleeping, your lifestyle habits in general, you know, your posture, are you mobile, are you moving quite often? And then there's the big factor of your genetics. All of those combined together is such a mixed recipe that there is no yes or no correct answer. It's all really a maybe, maybe not, probably, especially if you're in your teens, you're probably gonna grow more. Up until about 17, 18, or 19, your body physically can, for most boys and girls, you can continue to still grow. Once you're in your 20s, then probably take on the methodology that I implemented, and it was to focus on my posture. That got me another, I would say, half an inch to an inch, because I wasn't rounding forward all the time. Now think of it, we're always on our cell phones, we're hunched over a desk or a car. Think of how much height you can increase by working on your posture. You know, at the end of the day, there's also just acceptance. There's gonna reach a point where you're not gonna grow anymore. You can't fix your posture any better. Then it just becomes about maintenance and doing the best darn job you can to take care of your health. And that, above all, is the greatest success that you can look for. Perhaps the height or the number is not the thing to focus on. It's the acceptance of where you are, who you are, and where you're at, and do your best there. Probably not the answer you were looking for, but it is the absolute most honest and best answer I can give you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Look forward to more videos, especially ones that are to lengthen, lean out, stretch, get taller. I'll be posting more of those coming soon. It's a lot to do with helping your posture and things that I do and stretch throughout the day. You can do them whenever works best for you. Morning, afternoon, evening, mix it up in between. Doing it more often doesn't exactly mean it's going to be better for you, but do what you can. That's the best you can do. See you soon in an upcoming video. Thanks, Warriors.